Koro joma nyako poko kendi. Kawuono wawuo gi Jogemo. Jok mawacho ni koro koro nyathi nyamera ni to koro ing'eni koro obro timo nang'o. Suddenly you become a crisis in the village nikech poko kendi. According to them, you're a crisis. Koro gichako gemo, gichako menyo. Menyo ok rach, gemo ok rach. Lakini un Jogemo, bende ng'ieuru ng'ama ugemo ni. Study that person. What is that person like? You know, what is the person's character? To ng'ama bende udhi gamo ni bende, en ng'at machal nade, en ng'ama oa kanye, what is their character? Ok ni koro, ni ing'eni mae en wuod kia ng'awa daktar maduong' Kenya ka. Okay? Kendo wuon gi, those were the first doctors in Kenya. Mokwongo rwako koti marachar. That is fine. Why are you telling me so much about the father? I am marrying the son, not the father. Koro beni samugemo, study the other person's character, the family. What are they like? Are we even likely to live together? Ama after a few months mtakuwa tena mnasort crisis ingine because hii nyumba ikaliki. But samugemo krach, lakini bende ng'ieuru ng'at mugamo, en ng'at machal nadi. Beda nikech baba gi en ng'at maduong' ahinya Kenya ka. Ama sijui the other thing that I keep hearing, en kijana maber ahinya kendo ower ge kanisa, en jawer maduong'. Just because somebody is in church doesn't make them a perfect person. It is not a bad start, but go beyond that. Yes, they are in church. But Kristo ni bendo sedonje chuny ng'ani. Is the Christianity in their heart, in the way they live, the way they think? You know, so I think it's also good to samigemo ne ng'ato bende ngi character mar ng'ato. That I think is a good start. Samugemo. Kapoko chako chando wakai ni nyako poko kendi. Koro sama you're trying to sort it as you think you are. Samigemo bende ngi ngat migemo ni. I think go beyond the character. Be fair to the people and even to the families. Kikucheketa chani because you're female, they are male, abracadabra, this is a perfect life. But kikwaket nyithindwa elwet kama nyathi dhi hinyore. Kendo wane mwaterogi. Because after a long time you'll be sorting another crisis. So bende kagibiro dalan bende ni koro kama uterogi eno bende ok bedre. Kendo chako konegi ni nyathina dak to nena kamano. Ng'ato loko kori samoro bul nikech inise manyo ng'at moa e kanisa ama ng'at makia wuon gi ama min gi ama the family are big people in the country, but the person you're putting your daughter in their hands uloko koro nyari koro kor bul nikech kendo oneno ni bende okonyo kori ahinya nikech okendi. But let's not put our daughters in danger. Domestic violence is real. And to kama nyako bende obiro ywak ni yawa, things are not going the way they are. Don't tell your daughters nyathina dak enga kamano. Kendo sana kata mna mama ni bro kon ni yawa nyathina dak anena kamano. Kata baba uni kikinena na kama ni perfect. Kata baba uni bende setemo. So just because somebody has lived through pain, let's not normalize pain. Let's not normalize abuse because it starts from one thing to another. But sometimes people are ending up in coffins, both men and both women. Because they tried to speak, they tried to talk, but nobody actually was willing to listen. They were being told it is normal, mardak. I think be fair to just make sure that you have done at least your best. For as long as you can see and for as long as you have studied the other person, don't put your daughters in danger. Erokamano.